What up, Digital Slang? Welcome back. Today, the Phil T1XS, another pair of true wireless earbuds. These come in at 60 bucks, and these are the extra small version of the Phil T1X, one of the best pairs of earbuds you can get for under 50 bucks. If you have not seen my review on that, I'll leave it up here in the cards. You can go check that out. These are the white and gray. They also come in a black colorway, and stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have a surprise for everyone. Now, also in the box, of course, we get a QR code to scan. It will take you to their website. You can sign up and get a free gift. We do have the user's manual. It comes with a free Bluetooth speaker if you go on and place a review on some website. These are going to tell you how to use the touch controls. These do have touch controls that control everything, including volume. USB Type-C, we get a bunch of extra silicone tips as well as extra silicone sleeves so you can get that good fit, so you can get that good seal, so you can get the best sound possible. And I do recommend switching out the silicone tips because that good seal does make a huge difference once you get that good seal. And these are the actual earbuds. You can see their branding in gray on top and the white case. You do have one LED light here on the front. If we open it up, you can see the white and the gray on the inside, and I'm digging the color. I think it looks really clean, really smooth looking, and that's basically it. These are not wireless charging compatible. Bluetooth 5.0 battery life on here. I've been able to get about 5.5 hours of listening time on here. They do say it's about 6 hours, and I listen to these pretty much volume all the way up. So maybe if you listen to it volume a little bit less, you might get a little bit more of battery life on here. But overall, pretty good battery life, about 5.5 hours, no problem whatsoever. And that's, again, listening at full volume. Now, if we take a look at the actual buds, super clean. We do have the two-tone look on the buds themselves, and the silicone tips are even gray. I dig it. I think it looks really sharp, really clean. Now, this does come with an app, and I'll show you the app on Android. On Apple devices, I haven't been able to get these to connect. I don't think the app is updated yet on iOS devices. I did delete the app on my iPhone, reinstall it, and it still does not come up with T1XS. It does recognize these as the T1X. So not supported yet on iPhones, Android devices. I'm going to show you all about the app. We'll go over the whole thing, but just be aware if you have an iPhone, you can still use these and connect through Bluetooth settings, but the app itself, you're not going to be able to use until it is updated. And these are actually stuck on easy mode on iPhones, where the touch controls only give you certain functions, where on Android devices with complete control of the app, you do have a lot more control with touch controls. So we'll get into that. We're going to connect them, and then I'll show you the app and we'll walk through it together. Fit-wise, these things are very comfortable, not very heavy at all. So ear fatigue has never been a problem while I have been trying these out. Now, once you're connected in Bluetooth settings, if you click on the app, it's going to bring you in, and it will bring you right up, Phil T1XS, and there's 3 buttons on the bottom. This is the first page. It will have your battery percentages for each earbud, and it will also have your battery percentage for your case. Now, if you click on the middle button, it will take you over. You do have a few more options. DSP, Audio Enhance. This will kind of enhance your listening experience, although it will let in some white noise. It's not bad. I think the difference with it on and off is very minimal, but some people might like it, some people might not like it. Now, there is also an ambient mode on here where you can let in a little bit of ambient noise coming in from the outside, and to activate that, you just kind of hold down either earbud, right or left, and it will activate. And then if you do it again, it will turn itself off, and it's okay. It's not the best. I've heard much better ambient noise awareness, whatever you want to call it, allowing ambient noise in. I've heard it much better on other earbuds, so it's okay. It is what it is. It's just okay. I'm not really impressed by it at all. Now, if you're a bass head like me, you do have a bass option, so multiple EQ options, more EQ settings. You can go in and you can pick your sound profile here. You can also go, and if I can get out of here, you can click on original, you can click on treble. There is an advanced EQ settings where if you click on this, it will take you and you can adjust it on your own to fit whatever kind of sound you want. And media volume, you can raise your media volume from inside of the app, which is always a good thing. And then if we click on the bottom button, full control mode, again, there is an easy mode, and these come standard out of the box in easy mode. So you are limited on what you can do as far as touch controls go. So you want to go in, turn that off, get full control so you can have full control of your touch controls, because it does make a difference. Now, low latency mode, this is basically a gaming mode. So if you are into first person shooters and games like that, go in, turn this on, and it will help with the latency. And there is still some delay, but it's very minimal, very slight. You're not really going to have a problem playing games on here. Morpheus STB power saving. Turn on this function. It will extend the talk time, but affect call quality. So this, for me, gets turned off. Call quality is very important for me. Now, wearing detection, this is basically your in-ear detection where music is playing. You take one out, it will pause, you put it back in, and it will play, which is always a good thing on a pair of true wireless earbuds. And of course, your firmware up to date. You can go in further, reset them if you want. Touch control settings. You can control the sensitivity of your touch controls. You can go in and you can turn it up all the way high to make it very sensitive when you touch it. I'm just going to leave it where it is in the middle, and you can adjust it depending on how it works for you when you are using the touch control. So not bad. So the app, very cool. Lots of things you can do in the app. And again, touch controls do control everything, including volume. Now, again, just be aware on iPhones, like I said in the beginning of the video, the app is not up to date. It needs to be updated. There needs to be a firmware update. On iPhones, on the Phil app, it will not recognize the T1XS earbuds as of today. So just keep that in mind. Now, we're going to play some music and we'll do the normal testing that we normally do. All right, guys, sound quality on here is really good. The bass is punchy. The highs and the mids are very clear. Now, this is a single dynamic driver, and they sound really good for what it is. Overall, not bad at all. I don't think anybody is going to have a problem with how these sound. Now, volume-wise, if you guys follow the channel, you know I like excessive volume. I like to be able to control it and turn it down. These, I wish there was a little more volume. I do have to kind of listen to this. Pretty much maxed out, almost all the way up to full volume. So I wish it was slightly louder, but overall not bad. Volume-wise, pretty good. And sound quality, really good. But let's keep going. We're gonna do a mic test. Check out the mic. What up, guys? This is the mic test to Phil T1XS, white and gray. This is the mic test. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. It's $59.99 for these earbuds, a really solid pair. Another great pair of earbuds from Phil. The T1XS. Let me know how the mic sounds. Now, as far as latency goes, I didn't really notice any latency when watching YouTube videos, Netflix on iOS devices or on Android devices. So overall, latency is really good on here. And again, there is a low latency mode, a gaming mode, where you can go in, back into the app, turn that on, and improve your latency even just a little bit more. So now I'm going to show you the touch controls, and touch controls on here are a little different. You kind of have to get used to them. All right, touch controls. Now, they're different on each earbud, so make sure you go into the app, you turn easy mode off so you have full control. And once you do that in the app, it does show you what the touch controls do, how they work. And then I'll show you right now, if we play some music, the right earbud will do that first. If we tap once, it does go to the next track. Works very well. And again, you can change the sensitivity in the app as well. So if we double tap, does pause, double tap again, and it does play. And if we triple tap, it goes back to the previous track. And it works good. I have the sensitivity set to the middle. And if you touch and hold on the right earbud, it turns ambient mode on and off. And it does change how my voice sounds. Right now it's on and my voice sounds crazy. So I'm gonna turn that back off. And it does talk to you in your ear and let you know if it's on or off. Now the left earbuds, again, they are slightly different. So if we play some music, one tap on the left earbud will control the volume, and you can see the slider here. It is going up. Now 2 taps, just like the right bud, will pause and play and answer and end the phone call. So we'll play music again by double tapping. And 3 will bring the volume down. And it works very well. So ambient mode, you can control from either earbud. Volume controls are only on the left earbud. Next track, previous track are only on the right earbud. Play and pause, answer and end the phone call from either earbud. So that's what I meant before when I said touch controls are different on either bud. So if you use one at a time, you're going to be limited to whatever bud you are using, and that will give you the touch controls for that specific bud. But overall, look, the Phil T1X, another solid pair. Smaller, the case is much smaller than the Phil T1X. Overall, $59.95, a really great pair at a really great price. You get a lot. Volume control, ambient mode, a gaming mode. Now, no wireless charging on the case, but overall not bad. Sound quality, really good. I wish there was slightly more volume. It does come in 2 colorways, the white and the gray and the black, which they did send me here. So I will be doing a giveaway for the black pair, and it will run through Twitter. I'll leave the link below, but we will be doing a giveaway on the black pair of the Phil T1XS. Shout out to Phil for sending these over to me. Not a paid review, but they did send these as review units. So the white and the gray, the black, check the link below for the Twitter giveaway. And again, just a solid pair, $59.95. Really good things here with the Phil T1XS. Let me know how the mic sounds, but overall, I'm enjoying these. I really like these a lot. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.